Hi everyone, this is Mortaza and you are watching one of my videos about refactoring in C# and of course Visual Studio. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the things that happens most of the time. At least for me, it happens very often. The scenario is this. You create a class, a code file, and you try to you start to create a class in this code file, and of course you name your code file the same thing as as the thing you choose for the name of that class. For example, person.cs contains a type named person, or report contains a type report. But after a while, or because of some changes, you decide to change the name of this type. For example, from person to employee. And of course, you want to keep the name of the code file in sync with the name of this type. So this is what you have to do. You have to copy this employee. You have to come here and you have to rename the file to employee.cs, which is a very boring thing to do, right? So if you don't like this, if you don't want to do this, there is fortunately a very nice refactoring in C#. So when you change the name, instead of going and do it manually, just put your cursor on the new name and press Ctrl period on your keyboard. The quick actions come up, and all the way to the down of this list, we have two options: rename file to employee.cs, rename type to person. It gives you two options. The first one is going to rename the file according to the name of the type, and the next one is going to rename the type based on the name of the code file, which is person.cs. I'm going to choose the first one, right? I'm going to rename the code file according to the new name that I chose for this type, from person to employee. And I'm going to press enter, and everything gets updated easily. This is very nice. This is very handy. As a best practice, you should always keep the name of the code file and the name of your type in sync, of course. And if you decided to change the name of the type or the name of the code file, you can use this refactoring to do it very quickly. Let me give you another example. Suppose after a while I change the name of this code file from employee to person, and now this gets updated easily and quickly. But the other way around, when I change person to employee, I have to use this refactoring to rename the file to employee.cs. So thank you for watching this video. You can find my other videos at my YouTube channel, Software Development with Mortaza.